Grabe, 999 lang daw. May internship pa. Wait, there's more. Actually, we are in beta testing phase pa. I have yet to fully launch it, but you guys will be glad to know na apart from the internship, the mock call, yung onboarding process namin is more of one full training na. So before you can even join the actual live training, may onboarding kami na isang full onboarding process. So I think I mentioned it sa other videos ko, but the current process that we have is after mong maka-enroll, pag na-verify na yung payment mo, you will then be sent a link for the onboarding, which is dun sa website namin. And then after taking that full onboarding, saka ka pala makaka-join sa live training. Kapag nakapag-join ka na sa live training, saka ka makaka-join dun sa 2 weeks na internship. After nung 2 weeks na internship, meron tayong tinatawag na hybrid na process for application book. Ibig sabihin, may live at saka may online ka na kailangang i-take at makumpleto para makapag-submit ka ng final activity mo. Saka ka pala makakarating sa iyong mock interview or one-on-one phase. Pagkatapos sa one-on-one, kung feeling namin hindi ka pa ganun ka-confident, definitely tuloy-tuloy yung mentorship up until such time na makahanap ka na ng client mo. However, please take note na when we say hanggang makahanap ka ng client mo, hindi kami maghahanap para sa'yo. You see, during the onboarding phase, ipapakita namin sa'yo lahat ng ways kung paano ka makakahanap ng clients at papracticein natin kung ano yung mga typical interview questions. All of this for only 999 pesos. Punta lang kayo guys sa profile ko, i-click nyo itong link sa bio ko. Makikita nyo na dyan lahat ng open classes namin. So, ito yung tinatawag natin na Gig Hub. Kaya tinawag namin siyang Gig Hub kasi everything that you need to know from free to paid resources na dyan na. So, live mentorship, ito na yung lahat ng open classes na meron kami. Lahat ng 999 pesos dyan, ibig sabihin, may internship na siyang kasama. And everything sa aming live mentorship, kasama yung lahat ng na-mention ko. Kung nasa Instagram kayo, ito yung kiklik nyo. At in case na hindi gumana yung Instagram at saka dito sa TikTok, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook page ko. Pagkatapos, hanapin nyo lang tong video na to. Makikita nyo dun sa pinakang caption ng post yung link. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, you can just check the description box. Nandun na sa pinakang pag-click nyo, nandun na yung form. Nandun na sa mismong form lahat ng details na kailangan yung malaman about the training, including the course outline, kailan yung next schedule. But again, guys, i-check nyo muna yung free resources doon sa Gig Hub. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from or work from home chismis. Bye!